Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 4, Orbit College 1. I'm joined by Kosi Linukuna.
Sharp Steve Ozet. Sharp man.
Yeah.
I think Kinal to say two take back on work not much. Renale a new gen, a new pivotal gen.
Yeah.
Pivotal meaning Baba said it's a success or development of something.
Yeah.
So Renale a new gen pivotals.
Yeah.
Which is Mfundo Vilagazi, Lemtutuzi Shabala.
Yes.
They are the development of Chiefs, those people.
Yeah.
And they've showed character and they are carrying, they've taken that responsibility to carry the team.
Yeah.
And it showed today by the way Mtutuzi Shabala has improved. Yeah, also moving on to the way Riketsengateng today, we played a good football.
Yeah.
It shows there's a lot of improvements. The coaches are doing their job. There's improvements in every department. I mean, from the goalkeeper, how many saves they did. I heard everyone is talking, but they haven't mentioned Brendan Peterson.
Yeah.
He did a good job.
Yes. Yeah.
How many times has he saved us in this game? I think 3 to 4 times.
Yeah.
He's made good saves.
Yeah.
He was also one of the members they were putting up their hands to say, I can be man of the match in this game.
Yes.
He kept us in the game.
Yes.
I mean, exactly. That's why he's the captain.
Yeah.
He's right. You understand? So like I'm saying, there's a lot of developments in every department, from the goalkeeper to the defense to the midfield to the strikers. We're improving. Last time we need a striker coach.
Yes.
We are improving. Araska Peglesha Majita too much.
Yeah.
So like I'm saying, I don't have much to say, but let's not take away from the good that the boys are doing.
Yes.
They did a good job. Bom Tuduzi, Bom Fundo.
Yeah.
They are there to say we can carry the team.
Yeah.
He's received a lot of backlash, Umtutuzi Shabala,
Yes.
a lot for the past few weeks,
Yes.
and it was good to see him enjoying like that. It's good to see the combination play. It's good to see Kaizer Chiefs playing good football.
Yeah.
I mean, you can see once you have a Kaizer Chiefs that's performing.
Yeah.
Everyone is happy. Kasishangane bari Kenzi nsaseke ngofu. Nsaseke ngofu mwana mani nsaseke ngofu. Nsaseke ngofu. Yeah, nsaseke ngofu. I mean, bona it's a Tuesday today. Mara nerkate. So we've proved once again and showed that we are a big team.
Yeah.
Not just by history.
Yeah.
But the present today,
Unlike-
it showed itself. Unlike those ones who know themselves. Who? Do you know them? Baba leave them. These ones are getting but they are in trouble. But we are cruising nicely. It's true.
They're gonna kill you tomorrow.
They must not lie to themselves. I heard their coach how many teams are there in the Bedouin? But 16. Are there 15 behind us?
Yeah.
Mara there's 15.
Yeah.
And he's feeling the pressure.
Yeah.
They know.
Yeah.
Don't you know?
No, for sure. It's very competitive. I'll admit to that at the moment.
Exactly.
I heard some other statements as well alluding to the fact that we won't be on the top of the league by the end of the year.
Yeah.
It's true by games in hand because we're going to start competing in Africa, so others will pass us.
Everyone.
We're
You're
used
not
to that
alone in
thing.
Africa, by the way.
But there'll be no helicopter involved.
No, it's true. It's true.
About real Africa.
It's true. It's true what he's saying. Are.
Helicopter navy.
No, it's okay. It's fine. We'll see by the results again. So it's true, Ari, the league is going to be very competitive. I hear some of them, my parents, but they've won the league. Mathematically, they are right. Games in hand doesn't mean points secured.
Yes.
But anyway, ke game Ari. Ke game Ari. Thank you, Steve.
Thibo, a re ka e tsaya nako e telele e tla re bakela dipolelo e kwalele
Also,
bona
how about to work at TS?
Thibo rena re wina one way Thibo rena re so re tlwaetse a re celebrate win ko Sundowns no a smile a re sana sona for win re check so very fit so tomorrow ro collect a 3 point ko Loftus and then a re ke lebogise makhosi badletsi ao shabalala matota ao mdu ntho e dirang o dirang o reply I mean o answer this thing e ba buang ka ena ko squatting hey ha qualify ha deserve so the boy asanka a reply ka molomo but the action is so congrats to the boy I well done to Makhosi ke thomo bona team e golo e celebrate go ba number 2 a biggest team kule country e celebrate ukuba I number 2
as number 1 dimension.
Imagine, bro.
Chiefs as number 1
ikwalele tla o bakela dipolelo
le bua so ga nda se number 1 ba fethu.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?